to build a website kind of like this one. So this is my personal website. It's a WordPress blog. To As with most WordPress blogs, there's an administrative console which you can get to by going to WP dash admin and logging in on your website. And from the administrative console, you can do a lot of things, like, for example, author content. You can change the theme, the look and feel of your website. For example, if I go to theme and I click on one of these, I can kind of preview what the website would look like if I applied this different theme. So this is my same website, same content, just a different theme applied. So that one I don't like because it's doesn't play very well with the new version. And so a lot of these are old themes which need to be deleted in here. But I'm going to show you how to go onto the internet, find a theme that you like, download it, and install it. But first of all, let me start you off with real briefly the host that I use, because having your own WordPress blog is what allows you to have this flexibility. So here, for example, is another theme. I could take my same website content, apply this theme, and be good to go. So what I'm going to show you first is how to set up a Dreamhost account. Dreamhost is the internet service provider that I use to host my domain. I'm going to log into this account. And what's nice about Dreamhost is once you've set it up, and it's very inexpensive to set up, it's maybe $100 a year. And for those of you interested in signing up for your own, there's a coupon code in this blog post beneath this video. So once you've signed in, the nice thing about it is you can come in here and manage your domains. And the reason I like it is because I can have basically an unlimited number of domains. You can see I've got probably 30 different domain names hosted on this one website. So here's my website, here's my wife's website. I got to renew these domains because they're coming up on the expiration, but they're actually set to auto renew. But you can see that I'm hosting, some of these are fully hosted, some of them are just redirecting because I'll probably use those domains later. So in this case, you can FTP from here and do all the kinds of things you need to do. But what I want to show you is the goodies list, where they have what's called one-click installs. So what's interesting, and the reason I'm showing you this is because there's these built-in one-click installs. When I click on one-click install, you can see it has install new software. There's an advanced mode, which gives you more control, which is the one I want to show you, because you can just click to install WordPress or any of these other software packages. And then once you've selected that, you select the domain you want to install it on. You can install it to a subdirectory. And then you pick a database and they click install it for me now. And they basically there's this automated robot script that'll run and install it for you and give you this admin interface once you've installed it. So once you've installed your site, you'll want to install a couple of tools to help you manage your website. The first is FireFTP. FireFTP is an FTP program. You want to set it up by clicking Create New Account. Type in the FTP account of the new site that you've created. So in my case, it's benshoemate.com. And then log into that site. If I can remember. So inside of your site, inside of the WordPress installation, you'll have your site domain, and then they'll create these brand new WordPress folders. So click on WordPress content, expand it, WordPress inside of themes, and this is where when you download something off the internet, download a theme off the internet, you'll upload it in here using FTP. So just to show you that quick example, I'll go to WordPress, go to Google, type in WordPress themes, search, And here's, for example, on WordPress.org, a lot of themes. You can download one of these to your desktop, save it, then you're going to just unzip it and FTP the folder, FTP the site over. And you'll FTP, after you've unzipped it, you'll see a folder like this one. This is a gridlock theme. Unzip, this is the unzipped version, so unzip it and then just move this over. And once it's moved over, I'll just go ahead and I guess click that and move it over. That's it. You can now then go back into your admin console of WordPress. Again, it's your domain name /wp-admin. Go down to themes, and you'll see the thumbnail and everything. I mean, this is part of the theme, and you'll see the new. You can find your new theme that you just uploaded. Click it, preview it, and then finally apply it. So this is the theme I'm currently using for my blog. I can change the theme. Now, there's some, you'll say, well, how do I change certain things about my theme? Well, under the tools, underneath themes, you see widgets and you see editor. Hold on, someone's Skyping me here. Okay, so, changing the appearance. So you click on editor, and what you'll see is here's all of the files of the theme. If you want to edit a different theme, all of the themes are listed here. And so you click on the theme you want to edit. And in this case, if we want to change the footer, we click on footer. And we want to go down and change the copyright year from 2008 to 2009. So we just find the 2008, change 2009, and at the bottom we can click update file, and then immediately going back to your site, you can see the change takes place immediately. Now it says 2009 down here. So 1 second, I'm just gonna okay. So the other tool that you'll need to have is a tool that'll let you easily post your blog entries. And one tool that I use is called Scribefire. What Scribefire is a Firefox plugin. You can install it by going to Firefox or to either Firefox plugin directory or going to scribefire.com, or search Scribefire on Google is probably the best bet. And once you've installed it, you'll see this little icon at the bottom of Firefox. When you click on it, it pops open a place in here where you can actually edit and post anything. So it doesn't matter what page you're on. So even as you click through different tabs in Firefox, the Firefox Scribefire window stays open down here. So just click new entry. Give it a title, give it give it a body, and then you can pick which blog you want to post it to. So I've got lots of blogs or websites that I've posted to. Some of these are actually Confluence Wiki, some of them are Drupal, some of them are Blogger, some of them are WordPress. So there's lots of different blogs that Scribefire works with, but I almost universally recommend that anyone who has a blog who uses Firefox use Scribefire to update it. It just makes updating it so much easier. So for example, I can click on my benshoemate.com, click on entries, and it shows the entries that I've done in the past. So for example, here's an entry I posted a few weeks ago. So if I want to edit this post, I can just click on it here, publish to Ben Shoemate when I'm finished, and be done with it. Also, your pages are here. So here's pages that are on the website. So here's my About Me page, and you can edit pretty much your entire blog from this Scribefire plugin. So 2 must-have plugins: the FTP plugin to move themes and modules over, and Scribefire to take care of your postings.